Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Capital One app not working. If the Capital One app is not working or keep crashing, won't let you sign in or is not loading properly, the problem is usually related to your internet connection, an outdated app version or temporary service issues. So firstly, check your internet connection. Go to your notifications bar in the top right and over here switch between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and simply turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi as well. And if your internet is slow, restart your router or toggle airplane mode on and off. And next is to restart the app. Once you open this Capital app, simply remove it and reopen the app again. And check if it works normally as well. And the next is update the Capital One app. You can go to your app store and find Capital One app and see if there's any update available. And if there is, you need to select update, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.